Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add frames in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? So here we are going to add an image. For example, we can add any image as per our requirement, right? So let me search for family. We are going to create a good image, right? For suppose we have selected this image, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to set this image first, right? Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements again, and here we are going to search for frame. Let us explore all the frames. So I have clicked on see all, and here are lots of frames available, right? Let me download this image first. Download, in case we missed the same image, then project is not going to happen, right? I'm looking for a good frame. Let us search for frame with border. For example, we can take this image, this frame, sorry, right? Now what we are going to do is we can simply change the border to white, and now again we are going to elements and we are going to select the same photo. Okay, and now we are going to add this and that, right? And now we are going to increase the size so that it coincides perfectly. You need to work upon this a little bit, then only the size will set perfectly, right? You can get an idea from the hands, right? Okay, the image is perfect, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to select the background image and click on edit. Okay, click on edit, and here we are going to edit this image, right? So click on adjust in the tools. Let us reduce the temperature. Okay, it makes no sense. Color invert, no. White is perfectly fine, and if we go with black, then also it's not looking good. Sharpness, clarity, saturation, let us decrease the saturation of all the colors, right? Or we can simply edit this as well. Okay, so this is how you can simply add frames in Canva. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.